Dr. Aditi Nerurkar joins us now. She's a physician at Harvard Medical School. So, doctor, first of all, what do you think this rollout will look like for 12 to 15-year-olds?
Great question, Joe. You know, this is a wonderful development for vaccine rollout, and we think that the Biden administration will allow this to occur in local pharmacies like it has done for adults, but additionally in pediatricians' offices, which will help any parents who are on the fence or hesitant to discuss with their trustworthy, longstanding physician, the pediatrician, on whether this is safe or not. We know in terms of the safety profile, it is excellent, comparable to 16 to 25-year-olds, and in terms of efficacy, even better than the 16 to 25-year-old group, 100% efficacious.
Doctor, we know older adults are more likely to be hospitalized with COVID. We know throughout this, kids have been less likely to get as sick as adults. So remind us why it is so important to get kids vaccinated.
That is a very important distinction. You know, children do not have the same rates of death from COVID as adults, as you mentioned. However, children are key to decreasing and eliminating virus transmission, which is one step closer to herd immunity. It's also very important for children to get vaccinated because it protects against new variants, which we know are very problematic right now. Also, there's a multi-system inflammatory condition that children sometimes get when they have COVID, and that is eliminated with this vaccine, as well as long COVID symptoms. The key here is that children have been psychologically impacted this year, and by vaccinating children ages 12 to 16, we have the closest and quickest, most efficient chance to normalcy, unrestricted play and sporting activities, removing masks, and getting back to in-person school in the fall, which is really wonderful news for all parents.
Yeah, I think parents everywhere are cheering that on. Now, nationwide, we've seen a decline in demand for the vaccine. Do you think now that a vaccine has been deemed safe for more kids, that some adults out there, the ones who are on the fence, might see that and say, hey, maybe this really is safe, I should get the shot?
Absolutely. So opening up this vaccine to 12 to 16-year-olds, in addition to Pfizer filing for the full FDA approval, those two steps in conjunction should hopefully get those on the fence to feel more confident about the vaccine.
All right. Dr. Nerurkar, it's always great to have you on. Thank you.
Thanks, Joe.